Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to add text to photos or images on your iPhone and how we can do this. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is we have to go over here to the photos that you would like to make the changes. So this is one of the photos that I took recently. Now I'm going to type a text here and how I'm going to show you how we can do this. So the first thing, you just need to select the photos and tap like this. Now we can see we have these options. Now from here at the bottom you can see there is a kind of an icon here. You have to tap on it, and once you tap on it, what you need to do is you have to go over here at the top. You can see there is a pen kind of an icon, so just tap on it. Now from here you can see we have these options here at the bottom. Now over here at the bottom you can see there is a plus icon. Go to the plus icon here. Now we have these options. Tap on add text. Now from here you can type the text that you wanted. So you can type whatever you wanted. So I'll type yummy. Now make sure that you type it properly. So I'll make sure that I type it properly. Now once you type it, you can see this is what we have to do. Right now we can do like this. Now if you wanted to make any kind of changes, you can go to the icon here. If you tap on it, if you wanted to increase the size, you can go for increasing the size. If you wanted to decrease it, you can go for it. If you wanted to make it bold, go for bold. And now if you wanted to change the color, over here you can see there is a color palette in which you have to tap on it. Now we have these options where you can do it as per your need. So I'll keep it as the way it is. Now once you tap on it, you can see we have this option. Now if you wanted to make any kind of changes, you can make the changes, or wanted to change the font, you can change the font. So I'll keep it as it is. Once the changes is being done, go over here, and right now the image is being saved like this. Now if you just go back, you can see if you go to the done over here once again, now this is being saved and I have already written here as an ME. So you can do, this is an example you can do for whatever the photos that you have. So this is how we can do this, and I hope this quick video is self-help. That's it. Bye.